Hello all. So this month, in an effort to increase visibility on the marketplace, we have decided to do a video on V9 ready themes. We do not have any new V9 themes, but we do have some established themes from V8 that are now updated to V9. So first, let's start with a theme, which is not really a theme, developed by John the Fish, Themeless. Is a theme without any CSS or styling. So it's very useful to embed pages in iframes or for testing blocks in an environment that will not be polluted. You should not apply this theme to your whole website, but specifically for some situation that can be very useful. So this theme is $20 in the marketplace. And as you know, it's V9 ready. Second, we have the front-end dashboard, also developed by John the Fish. It's a theme that replicates the dashboard theme and makes it easy to have that kind of look and feel on your website. It can be used as a full-site theme if you want, but it's mostly considered as a supplementary theme. So it's good to style pages of information for site editors, administrators, this kind of thing.
Front-end dashboard is available for $40 in the marketplace.
Then we have the theme Replica Pro by developers ZenWeb. This is a very feature-rich theme that offers several different page templates, block templates, a lot of functionality like portfolios, blog posts, everything you might need, different header designs, different footer designs, extra mega menu. This is now using Bootstrap 5, like the rest of Concrete V9. And it was adapted directly from the V8 version to the V9 version. ZenWeb seems to have selected this strategy to convert directly to Bootstrap 5. So Replica Pro is very suitable for any corporate or creative website, and it is $35 in the marketplace. And finally, we have theme Krista, also by ZenWeb. It's as feature-rich as Replica Pro. In the same way, you have a multitude of page templates, block templates, headers, menus, mega menu, different sort of menus, footers, layouts. You can do a lot with it. It also uses Bootstrap 5, and the look and feel is more adapted maybe to industries like wellness centers, spas, health, this kind of thing, but it can also totally be used for a business website. Krista is available for $35 in the marketplace.
Well, that is all from me for today, and we'll now let John present to you 4 more themes and theme-related packages. Thank you.
Thank you, Noor, and hello everyone. Here we have the first of 2 version 9 theme updates by DataSouth. This is the demonstration site for their Crimson theme. Crimson was first released for Concrete 5.7, maintained through version 8, and is now updated for version 9. So this theme shows really excellent longevity and a commitment to enabling older sites to update. I'll click through a few pages just to get a feel for it. So here we have the main page, drop down menu. Let's go left sidebar with a side menu and across to a right sidebar here. Crimson's a business theme with a flare of red, as its title suggests, and it costs $45 in the marketplace. Our second theme from DataSouth is Academy. Academy is also $45 and was also first released for Concrete 5.7, so again excellent longevity. Now it's updated for version 9. In its default colour scheme, Academy is bright and playful, so as the name suggests, Academy is recommended for educational applications, but I can see this easily adapting to business sites that want to appear a little less corporate. So let's look through a few pages. A very similar design of demonstration site: left sidebar, side nav, right sidebar, portfolios and such. Data South used Bootstrap 4 rather than Bootstrap 5 for these upgrades because it was closer to the original Bootstrap 3 of the original themes, and hence less conflict with the original functionality, but also didn't conflict with the core Bootstrap 5, so it's a sort of compromise. I hear from Data South that this resulted in 1.5 to 2 weeks work for each theme. They're slowly working through their other themes with a similar strategy, but using Bootstrap 5 for new development. Data South points out that every aspect of the themes needed to be looked at, and they had to decide which CSS and JavaScript version to use so that the theme didn't break the actual CMS core functionality. Moving on, Vidal Themes Medina is now compatible with the new core version 9.1. Medina is $49 in the marketplace. The reason for the gap at the first release of version 9 is that Medina has so many customization options that it overwhelms the new way customization worked in version 9, and some core fixes were required in order to facilitate the actual customization. Medina is a general purpose theme with, in its default stylings, you can see a sort of muted and restrained design. With a different developer, we have a different approach to a demo site, so let's start by scrolling down. As we scroll down here, it's got lots of animation and sort of fade in, slide in effects and that sort of thing, and slight sort of skew hover effects on this portfolio grid. If we go on, here we have a left sidebar page and a right sidebar page. Vidal Themes uses a custom framework called Ensemble, so the front-end styling didn't need much work. Most of the work here was in the dashboard options and the bundled blocks, and working through that one at a time, making the edit dialogues compatible, that sort of thing. That took a while to get it going. Quoting Vidal, our main difficulties were getting repeatable fields that contained images to work, as a lot of the stuff changed with regards to the file manager and picking images. The actual theme itself worked pretty much out of the box. Our last item isn't actually a theme, it's Knorr's Elemental Cloner tool. This is a free tool for creating new theme starting points as clones of the default Elemental theme. While Elemental is the default theme for version 8, it's no longer the default theme for version 9, but it's still bundled with version 9 and can still be cloned using Elemental Cloner to create a new starting point. This is a massively useful tool. It can clone Elemental into the application area or into a package, and a lot of customer marketplace themes began their development with a clone of Elemental, and it's great that we can carry on doing this with version 9. Knorr also has plans for a similar Atomic cloner tool, but the differences in the way Atomic is built means that that won't be a simple update of Elemental Cloner. Let's summarise some points from the real theme developers, so that isn't me. In general, updating version 8 marketplace themes for version 9 hasn't been trivial. One of the cost drivers has been maintaining backward compatibility. So it's really great that our feature developers have been very focused on providing an upgrade path for their customers from version 8 sites. This is the kind of commitment anyone seeking a theme for a new site really should look for. So that's it for now, and we'll see you again next time.